So guys, good afternoon from Jesolo, Italy. Walking tour. Like I said, I'm doing some small, short or a little bit longer, but not longer, like 30 minutes or so videos. So we are in Jesolo qui. The terrasse it's open already. So this is the beach right now. It's empty, and like you can see, the sand, it's a little bit like a small thing to don't come the water inside if it's will be here we have Hotel Napoleon. Here are nice hotels. Yes, so this beach, this walking side, it's very long, like 13 kilometers. So we can jogging, walk, not with bicycle. This is not allowed. And bicycle in the city inside. Yes. So today it's a very nice day, till 12 degrees Celsius plus. I saw now new hotels. They build new hotels and renovate the old one, so they are full in preparation for opening season for summer. I think which will be like in 1st May. I'm pretty sure. Here we have Hotel Boston. So I was in quite a few last years here, and now I'm in like now already J44. This is 5-star hotels. They have here 3 hotels 5 stars. It's J44, Almar and Falkenstein. Okay, so talk to you later guys. Bye.